Ito, nanubo na guys. Dahil matagal ng stock at saka naluto na guys pero wala pang asukal.
Now I can see the camera can a tiny bit now see the
Hi guys! Good evening! Ako pala si Pinay in USA. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa sunod kong mga video. At ngayon guys, magluluto ako ng sweet potato. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ako magluto. Easy and simple lang guys. Madali lang lutuin. Okay guys, I want to show you guys kung paano ako magluluto guys.
Hi.
What you say, RJ?
Hi.
Hi. Hi everyone. See.
No, just hi.
What you doing?
I am trying to stick on you.
You want to stick to me? Oh my god.
Ooh, I'll be behind the scenes.
So hito guys, ang dalawa kong sweet potato. Ito, nanubo na guys. Dahil matagal ng stock at saka ngayon ko pa lutuin to. So ito oh.
What are you gonna do?
I make a kamote cue.
What is that?
Yan, is sweet potato, RJ.
Are you gonna smash it?
Don't do that. At saka guys, maglilinis pa ako dito. Balatin ko muna to. Okay.
You gonna cut that out?
Yeah. I clean first.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Squares. Squares of the knee. What a one. What a one.
Yan guys. Linis nga. Oh. My goodness. Stuck now. Okay guys, ito na. Nalinis ko na guys. At saka isa-slice na naman ko to guys. So, ayan guys, na-slice ko na. Yan. At saka magluluto na ako guys.
I did not see I did not see that there.
What?
I did not see this pan.
Let's see.
Yep, I did not see it at all.
And now you see now. Here is. Here is guys oil. Leftover before I cook. Ito guys, ang gagamitin ko. Ito yun oh.
Rainbow cooking oil. Just kidding.
Depende naman ninyo kung ano kadami ng oil guys.
Rainbow cooking
Ito,
oil.
guys.
Rainbow cooking oil.
Sa akin hindi masyadong
If
madami.
you run out of oil,
Yeah. Ito naman. So ito guys.
Oil.
So
there goes the oil.
So yan lang kadami.
So I have this.
At ako magluluto guys is hunahin ko na muna pagluto ang sweet potato guys. Ilalagay na natin tong sweet potato. Ay, goray.
Oh
My goodness.
my gosh!
Splattering.
I see so much bubbles on the camera.
Unahin muna pagluto ko yung sweet potato guys. Para hindi mapait. Pait guys. Ang asukal kapag matagal ng tagal lutuin ang asukal guys. Ayan. Okay, maghintay muna tayo ng few minute guys. So inuna ko na pagluto ang sweet potato guys para hindi siya mapait kapag isama yung sweet potato at saka asukal. Mas mabuti lutuin muna ang sweet potato para hindi mapait ang asukal kung matagal na siyang maluto. Meron pala to guys, nakalimutan ko para easy.
Ching ching. Time to put them over with a
Yeah.
better tool. They look all burnt.
It's okay that. Okay guys, lalagay na natin sa plate guys.
Go.
Dahil luto na.
Pick them up and pick them on a plate.
Ito, hindi pa naluto.
You're doing more?
Yeah,
Do you even have more after that?
we have not yet done.
I
We
mean,
cook
yeah.
this all.
See more over there.
We cook this all, RJ.
Wow. They're not bubbling.
Because I lowered the heat. Yan.
I hear a yout sound.
Here you go. We cook again guys. We wait for a few minutes guys.
Okay.
So ito guys. Ang naluto na guys pero wala pang asukal. Later lalagyan natin ng asukal. Yan guys. Masarap to guys pang merienda.
That looks so red.
Pang snacks guys. So ayan guys, luto na guys. So ilalagay na natin sa plate guys. Okay din to pang negosyo guys, small business. So ito na naman guys. Lutuin naman natin to. Wala
The
pa
one
luto.
tiny.
Ito ang mga maliliit na slice.
And the camera looks overheaded.
What?
I cannot see half of it on
Really?
the camera.
Maliliit na tong slice guys. Mayroong isang malaki. So, malapit na matapos guys. At saka maghintay
Ting-ting.
naman tayo ng pabalik-balik lang to guys. Hintay naman tayo ng ilang minuto. So, ayan guys. Luto na guys. At kukunin na natin. So, maliliit to guys. At saka, lagay na tayo ng asukal mamaya. I-melting muna natin ang asukal dito. Okay, yan. So, yan guys. Luto na guys. Kukuha naman ako ng asukal. Nalagyan ko na ng asukal guys. Ito, brown sugar guys. Golden brown sugar guys ito. Ito ang aking lalagay guys. Guys, ito ang asukal. Sa dalawa.
Now it's becoming wet into dark brown.
Tatlo.
You know what it looks to
Yan lang
me?
guys. Maghintay tayo na ma-melt to guys. Okay guys, lalagay na natin guys. Melting na to siya guys. Yan.
It's melting.
Ito you guys.
We're mixing it up.
Yep, so that we mix this. We mix guys para ang asukal ma-mix siya. Yan.
The golden brown sugar stuff
Yep.
looks
So
weird
yan
now.
guys.
God, can a tiny bit now see the oil.
So yan guys. Yan, malapit nang maluto guys.
The stuff on the potatoes.
So yan guys, luto na guys.
uh,
Ilalagay ko na dito guys. Okay guys, luto na siya guys. Okay guys, lagay naman natin to. At lagyan muna natin ng asukar, parang maliit na asukar. Okay guys, luto na guys. Yan. Okay.
on the camera, it looks like tomatoes.
Kunin na natin to.
Just turned on.
Nalagay naman natin to guys. Wala pang asukal to.
You didn't. Good job.
Ayan na guys, ang luto guys. Yan. Yan na guys. Mayroon pang maliit doon, oh.
Good.
Yan. Init. Grabe ng init to. Yan. At saka lalagyan natin ng stick mamaya guys. Nalubat ng phone ko guys. Okay guys, so ito luto na siya guys. Okay, tapos na guys.
Finally.
Finally guys, luto na.
Finally a dash.
Luto na guys, tapos na.
No?
So guys, yan na guys, oh. Naluto na guys. Yan. At nalagyan natin ng stick guys to. Itong stick. Yan guys, yan. Tusok natin. Okay. Wah. Ang gahi na. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. The kamote Q guys. Mas mabuti guys kapag lalagay ninyo dito mayroon ng stick dahil ang gahi na guys. Hindi na siya malagyan. Kasi stick na ang kamote Q sa plate. Ito oh. Nagahi na. Hindi na siya easy sa pagkuha. Yun. Na-stick siya sa ibang kamote. Yan. So, yun lang guys ang aking cooking for today. Kamote Q. Yan. Ang sarap to guys. So, kakain na tayo guys. Yan oh, RJ. Oh, you make RJ. Yan. Like that, RJ.
I tell you. I'm the
Parang negosyo, RJ. Yan, like that. Then, lalagyan mo ng parang 3 piraso. 3 pieces, RJ, to put that there.
best. I'm the best
Or
one.
4.
I'm the best one.
Oh my goodness. Dahil, hindi ko na lagay right away, RJ. See?
You know? How do you
See,
get
it's so hard. Ay, nako. What's this now?
this stuff?
Okay guys, that's it guys. Hindi na malagay sa steak guys. So, yun lang guys ang aking cooking for today. So, sana nagustuhan nyo. Kung nagustuhan man ninyo, huwag niyo kalimutan sa pag-subscribe para ma-notify kayo sa sunod kong video guys. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and see you next video. Bye-bye!